I get the corn seat.
I'm recording.
I'm already recording. Corn seat, guys. Hopefully they start soon because I don't feel like waiting that long and using up more space in my phone. Woo! Look, I hit the back seat too. Look. All right, this is gonna be some amazing, phenomenal scenes. More windows. We got the train dumbbells. Train.
Should I record it like this from the back?
I don't know. You dropped my phone.
Oh my god, imagine.
Just toss
And then it
it.
stays recording until you like come back.
Runs it over.
What's your favorite part about the wrench?
The train.
The train.
The train.
I like the ducks. The ducks were so cute.
There's a random hole right
Did
there.
you like the horse?
Yeah, the horse is pretty cool. But it's not as good as the train. Alright guys, look, we're leaving. Whoa. 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 Train 3, guys. We did it. We reached train 3. We did it. There's the front of the train. I don't know if you see it. Right by the other train that's dead. Thomas Tangenson is now dead. He died. This is train 3. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna try some. Yes. Hopefully my face is not in that. Train 3, guys. Oh, I got the corn seat. Over a bridge, overheading a bridge, overheading a bridge, overheading a bridge, overheading a bridge. Train. Guys, Train 3 is now full-length movie. This is the train saga. I don't know. If I drop my phone, that's gonna suck a lot. Let's see behind us. Yo, so someone turned this into a movie album. Alright guys, it's the end of Train 3, guys. Alright, I'm ending Train 3.